Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas. Today, I got a little Mopar fever here. It's a 1968 Dodge Coronet that we just got in. And I'm going to walk the car with you guys and go over it. Okay. We do have a clear title on it. All right. It is a nice older paint job. Shows very well. It does have some flaws to the paint. It's not excellent, but it's very presentable to go to a car show. Okay. Chrome bumpers look really good. Actually, it's brand new. Chrome tips, bumpers, bezels look excellent. Centerline wheels, but they are American racing. They look like center lines. Nice trim around the windows. Nice body. I mean, it's pretty straight. Nice reflection. Okay. Rocker molding looks good there. Nice black high gloss painted hood. Front chrome bumper looks excellent on the car. Like here's, a couple chips. We can touch that up for you guys. Excellent grille. Really nice stance on the car. It's got that 70s hot rod look to it as well. Really cool. All the bezels in the back, like I said, look well. I'll show you guys the interior. Split bench, reupholstered. Door jambs are nice. Door sill plates are nice. Door panels redone. Back seat with seat belts. Tight headliner. Car is showing 57,254 miles. We'll go from the passenger side. Doors open and close real good. Show you guys the engine. It's a 383 Magnum. MSD ignition. Trunk area looks really clean. Spare tire. Trunk pan is nice and solid on both sides under the carpet. Super clean. And I got the cassette. You can put in the cassette deck, and then this part right here goes into your iPhone. Nice quiet engine. Sounds like a sewing machine. All the lights function. here. Nice and quiet, but a good rumble from the exhaust. Shifts really nice and smooth, and it tracks down the road real straight. Brakes work good. Big curb appeal, guys. Power steering works excellent. So if you guys need shipping, we do ship worldwide. I got people that I've done business with on the East Coast ports and the West Coast ports. If you're local, it's simple. Just send me your zip code and I'll get this thing shipped to your doorstep. I'll leave my phone number at the end of the video. Real nice, real nice. Also, with the window down, the air doesn't ruin your hair. That's always a little stickler for me. Alright, so if you guys need shipping, you know, you can text me, call me, email me anytime, your zip code. Financing's available. No money down. Loans are available. Great rates start at 3.49%. So you guys can call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you.